Oh, sweet Jesus, I almost missed the DC-10.
The tripod is pretty fucking sweet.
Yeah, I can't operate without a tripod, dude. I've become so reliant. It's like a drug. I have to do this every day just to be normal. Whoa. Oh, sweet. That's an MD-11 right there. That FedEx jet that just arrived.
Been on one of those?
They don't fly in passenger service anymore by anybody.
But like, I remember when we went to Hawaii.
Air France double Lufthansa. That's pretty beautiful, huh? Me and Nick are having some fun here.
What?
You got your focus? I'm just narrating, by the way, so just flow with it, okay? Just flow with it. Oh yeah, this is going live, dude. You're busted. You should have brought your adventure hat.
Yeah, right.
There's that 737-900 right now. That's a big one. 767.
Seems like this is stupid.
Yeah, it's trying to save battery power. Oh, that's the Andrew Campbell or Andrew Young. Who is that ambassador? Ambassador Andy Young. That's the airplane that's dedicated to him. We dedicate planes to Andy Young and breast cancer. That's what we do at Delta. It's a regional jet, Nick. We don't fuck with him. Don't even look at him. Don't look. He knows where he belongs. Go back to Greenville, Spartanburg, you asshole. We got a 738 coming up here on the takeoff roll. No longer the alpha male in terms of 737s here in the Delta fleet. Not sure if he's taking that okay or not. Wait a minute. Okay. I had to correct this here. Dude, when they started putting winglets on the 767-300, I just really enjoyed it even more. Nice job, Big T. Oh, clearing the building. Building number 5. I believe he's a 767-400. Let me get confirmation of that. Yeah, dude, that is. He's got the raked wingtips. Misidentification is a horrible, horrible embarrassment in this hobby, Nick. It makes me sad. Oh my god, you lose so much street cred when you do that.
They're laughing at you.
Oh my god, dude, there's like biker gangs that patrol the freaking aircraft spotting websites. You got it wrong! You got it wrong, you idiot! It's an A319!
The sun's gonna screw in this.
Yeah, I kind of gave up for a minute. I was off in my own world. Where am I? I got distracted there. Good touch. Who is this? This might be a 757-300 here on takeoff roll. Which is much better than your average 757. Oh, but you know what? That's Lufthansa right there. Lufthansa overrules. Cool. I'm gonna stabilize myself here. I had to get in a good position for the climb out. Off to Frankfurt. Das ist gut. Schnell, schnell! What are other funny German things to say, Nick? And we got Schnell. Is Schnell the only one? It's like that, It's like an Embraer. I think that's out of Philly right there. The inbound. It's definitely an ERJ. Yeah, boy, I'm on here. Like stink on a monkey. Oh, sweet, there's a double going on. Snap, dude, that's with air tranny. I choose you. Whoa.
Oh.
Dude, you see
If
Habit?
that fin wasn't there, I would have got it right when I touched.
Did you get fin fucked? I hate that.
Totally fin fucked.
By citrus. Dude, the Habitat Delta jet's back there under tow. You see that? I just know that for some reason the watch pod never boils. Where the hell is Air France?
Oh, is this one you said coming from Philly to United?
Oh, yes it is. Philly always sends their ERJs. It's an ERJ 190. I'm getting fin fucked right now. Jesus Christ. That was brutal. That was brutal. Looks like a puny bastard coming in.
Yeah.
Oh god, it's a freaking R. Don't look at him.
Don't look at him.
Oh, here comes the Air France. Here comes Sir Francelot. Nice. Right by the flags. I'm not much of a multiculturalist, but I do like those flags. Back to Charles de Gaulle. Crazy frogs. Hey, did you hear about the Air France cocaine bust, Nick?
What?
Did you hear about Air France and all their cocaine? The cocaine bust? Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I heard about it.
Yeah. Who's flying dirty up
Dude,
there?
what was it? It was like some ridiculous. Yeah, you're right. Only the derogatory. There are no slang words for French people. Only the derogatory term frog.
Yes!
Because some of them eat frog legs.
Fucking frogs. I knew I was right. I knew they were frogs.
The only one doing that.
Well, we need to start using that. We need to introduce that to society, see if we can't get that spread around a little bit. On the subject of frogs, do you think that maybe there's some kind of correlation, like these pilots keep falling asleep all the time in the cockpit, and then they find a whole lot of blow on the Air France flight?
These guys are fucking slow.
You know what? You guys ain't gonna fix it. We're gonna take this matters into our own hands.
Dropping fucking airplanes in the middle of the ocean and shit.
Yeah, I don't think those guys were doing enough blow. They would have recognized the situation immediately. Catch it, yo. 764 on the roll. Either Madrid or England. They tend to operate in pairs, these 767-400s. One to Madrid, one to London. Always on the same side of the airport, too. It's a big one. Ah, building. Here's an Embraer. What in the hell? Is that one of them Colgates? Nope, it says again with Continental. I don't buy this fucking United shit, dude.
What?
I don't buy this United merger nonsense. It's fucking Continental. I really don't buy it. I refuse to accept what that is. Huh. Somebody blowing a whistle. That's an old 737. That's a classic. We're gonna be seeing a lot more of that shit.
I'm flying here.
What are they doing? We could seriously zoom all the way in on these guys and have some kind of like conversation as if
you
we
could
were
read
them.
lips. Holy shit, dude! You're like totally in there. See, let me see what they're talking about. Dude, that's fucking awesome. That guy's just standing around. He's like,
this here's our new tug. Look at this.
Look at 20 bucks says he picks his nose.
Come on, you guys. We could create characters. We could come out here every day and stalk a particular employee, give him a name.
Look at this guy on the bike.
Oh, that is what is up. That's awesome. Fuck you, Segway. I go the old-fashioned way, right? Alaska's trying to take a little bite out of the Atlanta market here. They started flying Alaska in from Portland, I guess like a month ago. There was one daily flight to Seattle, which would be disappointing to anyone who doesn't know anything about aviation who's going to fly Alaska Airlines, because like, where I thought we were going to Alaska? You're Alaska Airlines. Nope, stop in Seattle. Sorry, as far as you get from here. And the Eskimo on the tail is humorous as well. That's an Eskimo. God damn, Carolina tricking me. just missed him coming in on the north side, and now he departs the south, breaking my heart.
I got him.
You got him?
A little bit.
I got these table scraps. Yeah, I got table scraps, dude. We got hard drive fucking cloggers. Hard drive cloggers. Bunch of pictures you ain't never gonna use, but sit there for some reason. Smoky as shit. I love it. Hey, they're smoky. Oh. DC-9er. Gone. The sun is setting right behind him. It's a good one. There's what we call a good one. Delta can put on a show. Still looking for the whereabouts of those technicians.
Oh yeah.
I'm using the 767 to mask my spying. The little, there's a minivan hanging out next to that Navy jet. Minivans. Maybe there's some soccer moms going to look at it. Whoa, there's a fucking helicopter back there. Dude. Oh, snap, crackle, pop. Sorry, dude, you see that? Did you see the chopper, Nick? Oh, it's a UH-1 Huey. Who the hell is flying a UH-1 Huey? It couldn't be the Marines. Nice. Well, that was a snag. I sacrificed the 767 for it in total. But, good lord.
Oh, now with the trees.
Oh, dude, he's landing amongst the AirTran tails.
Yeah.
And Southwest. Maybe he's involved in the devouring of our dear AirTran. Who's that, dude? Oh, come on. Oh, it is, dude. It's British Airways. Come here, Nick. I'll show you. I'll show you here on Mastercam. Let me get it in focus.
Holy shit.
Oh, that's going to go out of focus. There we go.
Nice.
On his downwind. Okay. As soon, yeah, see, shakies. As soon as we get his ass in, we're out. We're going to Johnny's. Oh, is that parking lot security in their fancy van? Flying off to the west, he's gonna turn it around. You can actually see it right here. Who the hell is that? How long has she been standing there?
I don't know.
Is that a ghost? Seriously, has she been standing next to us this entire time?
I had no idea. I was looking.
Dude, we see a ghost right there. That's hilarious. Okay, well, British Airways is coming in on its... Do you see it circling around back there? That's her. Oh, this is going to be a nice one. Dude, come check this out. Oh, snap. Here he comes. I still might get hangar jacked. Oh, yes. Are they just walking laps? Yeah, there's Frontiers coming. Let's look at the security guards. The Caucasian ones are dangerous, not because they want to kick you out, but because they want to have a chat with you for like 3 hours and they're bored. That woman is very frightening. You can get a double opportunity right here.
Dude, I'm gonna try and get the up close so we can see which one this is.
Yeah, let's see what animal it is.
Animal we're dealing with here.
I might have already named it, so I'll let you know what I've named it. You can tell me what you think. Otherwise, we could just make up another name. Who are you, Frontier? What the hell is that? Is that a deer or something? Is that a... It looks like a baby deer, like a Bambi style deer. And British Airways. Here comes the Brits. The Brits and their royal family.
Oh shit, is that it?
That's it. That is the Johnny's Pizza dinner bell. So I'm so starving right now, I'm like delirious.
Chinese Pizza Express.
Good. Good job, Speedbird. Thanks for coming, guy.
I'm gonna get fin fucked.
Yeah, dude, it's a guaranteed fin fuck. It's really just how you take it. Because the fins can really fuck. I mean, prison style. Did you get gang raped in the shower, fin fucked? Is that what just happened on that one? Well, there's our Speedbird, and I can look at how close I can get to this asshole. The asshole here. See that?